Today we're going to be showing the assembly process on a 2018 or newer Freightliner Cascadia front bumper. We've got 2 reinforcement pieces, 2 outer covers, the front grille support, the front grille trim, and 2 of the bumper supports. We'll start the process by assembling the right side of the bumper. We've got the outer cover, which is TR443, and we're going to partner it with the reinforcement, which is TR442. The attachment of the 2 pieces can be a little bit tricky. Once it's kind of aligned, you just want to push into the bumpers together in order to kind of squeeze them together. Now on the inner side of the bumper, which is right here, there can be a little bit of separation. And so what you want to do is you want to use either a screwdriver or some type of pry bar in order to kind of leverage them into each other. And it should fit very snug like this, very tight. So all of our reinforcement pieces come with already the clips attached to the reinforcement piece. But our hardware kit actually comes with spare clips in order to replace them if need be. So the next step will be to use the screws provided and the washers provided to connect, to secure the 2 pieces together. And so what we'll show you is us by hand connecting these pieces, and then later on we'll secure them with a drill. There should be a total of 7 screws that need to be used in this next process. So he will finish by attaching the screws to the top side of the bumper. So the next part of this process is joining the left and right bumper pieces together. We've decided to utilize one of our amazing 3-in-1 cables to help us out in this project. If you decide to buy one of these, it might make the job a little bit easier. So as you see here, in the center, we've utilized a vice grip with a couple of clamps in order to align the holes to make it a little bit easier to put in the screws in the center. And he'll demonstrate that right now. So we've completed the joining of the 2 bumper pieces. We've removed the clamps that helped us align the 3 holes. And so the next step is going to be the installation of the grille trim piece. So what we want to do is we want to put it underneath the bumper, hold it there snug. And what we're going to utilize is going to be these here, 1 on each side, 1 on each corner of this grille piece. And he'll demonstrate that now. So this process is best to be done by hand in order not to ruin the plastic pieces. You can later kind of tighten if need be. So he will now finish the opposite side of the bumper, putting in the screw on the corner of the trim piece. The next part will be adding this grille So once the grill is placed, you will locate two additional holes, one on each side for this grill, one right here, and one right here. Once again, it's best to tighten these by hand. The next step would be to use the bumper supports. This will add rigidity to the entire bumper. So we're going to just align these up here with these holes here. And then we will be adding our grill brackets on top of them. We will need a total of 8 screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 will be installed from the front side of the bumper, and then 2 from the back side of the bumper. So we've completed the back side of the bumper. Now we'll stand it up and finish the front side of the bumper. So next we're going to be screwing in the grill into the grill supports. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes there. You might want to keep the grill support loose in case you need to align the holes and then tighten everything all up at the end. Again, it's best to start by hand, and if you want to use a pneumatic tool to finish the job, you can. Okay, we've completed the assembly of the grill. The entire project has been complete. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your sales rep or the office. We'd be glad to help you out. Please visit our website for other products. Thank you for watching.